And the CBI has filed a fresh plea before the Kakarduma court saying it is willing to reinvestigate the case against Congress leader Jagdish Tytler. Mr. Fulka, do you welcome this development? The CBI literally making a U-turn on its earlier position on this case and in terms of reinvestigating the Pulbangash case against Jagdish Tytler.
This is a welcome development. What the thing is, the things have changed when this NDA government has become active. When a few years back I had demanded the resignation of Harsimrat Kaur Badal because this government has given the clean chit. After that, the Khalidar has filed an application in the court that to defer the case and they will provide the addresses of the material witnesses which the CBI says are untraceable. And the CBI has fallen in tune with that and they say that they are prepared to further investigate. No, and this is a very good development. It's a welcome development and we've been right from very beginning saying that the NDA government should fulfill its promise of punishing the guilty, not give them the clean chit.
What happens next? Has the court passed any directive yet, Mr. Fulka?
No, the judge was on leave today.
Right. But does this spell more trouble for Mr. Jagdish Tytler? How do you think investigations would proceed further going on?
You see, this obviously is a trouble for Jagdish Tytler. The reason is earlier also we've been saying that CBI has given the clean chit wrongly and totally. The court also 3-4 times asked the CBI that what are you doing? Why don't you investigate on these aspects? Earlier they have been opposing it totally, tooth and nail. And so today, after this NDA government was cornered, today they have changed the stand. This was expected from them. In fact, earlier also they should have taken this same stand.
But this stand, the CBI altering its position or agreeing to reinvestigate Jagdish Tytler is basis because you've had 3 witnesses who have come forth.
No, you see, I don't mean, the Akali Dal, which is a partner to the NDA government, has filed this application that they will provide the addresses. When I was not aware about this application, frankly speaking. So they have directly went and filed in the court that they will provide the addresses. So this is the government is providing the addresses and the government agency is investigating. Government agency is now agreeing to reinvestigate. But that's in nutshell, this is a good demand. We want the guilty to be punished.
Yes, and do you believe it's a massive step closer to providing closure to the victims of the massacre of 1984?
That is true. We want the closure, but the closure should be with some kind of a symbolic justice. The closure should not be totally with the failure of justice. In fact, there's so much of evidence against Tytler that had there been any other person, he would have been arrested immediately.